A common task to rekindle the fire. CICF, Congregación Makinaki por Israel. A race opened by the missionaries.
A task given to those who participate.
A promise given to those who are in need. Stories of men sailing ships to reach remote places.
Of apostolates scanning mountains, crawling up to small spaces.
And of missionaries in search of homes to welcome them with God's good graces.
Art extra.
To all the nations,
Let the light of God spread.
no man should serve his own nation.
But serve in every nation that's filled with dread.
No man should move where he wants.
But goes wherever he needs to be. Tuk tuk.
CICF moves to the south of the ocean
Sails to the deepest sea.
to build the congregation and create God's light.
Where boundless effort and actions take flight. Tuk 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 tuk.
In the streets of every village and the city soaring tower, if the people live in darkness, every minute, every hour, hear the cry of desperation from a million broken hearts, beneath so brave. It's far with me.
Mahulog na ako, James.
Fill my heart with your compassion. Free my mind from all distractions. You led to set the captive free. Who might need to follow after you. Or take the world and
Patanggalin mo na ang seniors dyan.
Tuk 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 tuk. A man no older than 42 years
Started a movement where everybody heard
would visualize a society dedicated to the incarnate word.
under the patronage of the Immaculate Heart of Mary.
A man who dedicated his life to the service of the mission, all beings holy. Tuk 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 tuk.
Let us start
Tuk. A dream. Tuk
a life
tuk
and an everlasting blessing.
tuk 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 tuk. The flame did not die when he did.
It was not extinguished, but ever so brightly it is lit.
The flame of passion and excellence burst through it.
The legacy that the man created had taken the shape of a brotherhood.
Where all men are in service of the proclamation of the news that is good. Tuk 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 tuk.
Your humans as the orders, the space for everyone. I wanna this mission, in the plan that you've begun. You promised you could with me, to be able to solve it all, and change everything that we see from your love, that it start with me. Open my eyes, fill my heart with your compassion. Free my mind from all distractions and to set the captive free. My feet to follow after you. Or came to the world and let it start with me.
Tuk 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 tuk. It started with a man and 4 brothers.
Created 1,000 more in the 19th century with many others,
Who then shared the good news and spread the legacy.
which then turned to greater activity.
The start of something great will not stop because of one person.
A man's greatness was not stopped by the people who denied what he believed in.
But it is magnified by the people who chose to believe him. Por uno Anima una. One heart, one soul. A hand to reach up and another to pull.
Oneness of heart and soul and achieve.
A nation, great and whole.